How you doing? Welcome to another video. So yeah, I have this really interesting rifle here. It's a revolver. It is a Heritage Rough Rider 22. It can shoot 22 shorts and 22 long. It's a, let me just make sure it's not loaded. I don't want to pull an Alec Baldwin. It's safe. So it's a single action revolver. It's kind of based on the Colt model from 1873. But it's a rifle. So they put a stock on it and they put a 16.5-inch barrel on it. And it works pretty much works the exact same, except it's a little bit more modernized. It's not as old school, but it looks absolutely beautiful. Now this isn't my gun and I haven't fired it before. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna shoot it first. What we're using is just your generic Remington 22 long, so let's get this thing loaded. Now to load this thing is pretty interesting. You have your safety switch here, you got your hammer, you got your trigger, you got all that. So what you have to do is open this gate on the side, half cock it, and that way you can engage the revolver. Just put some shells in there, or bullets, whatever you want to call it. And it holds 6. There we go. Gotta make sure that they're all the way in. So this is the type of gun that Jesse James would use, or Billy the Kid, you know, all those old school cowboys and ranchers. There we go. It's officially loaded, but it's only on half cock, so it won't shoot. So I'm just gonna put that to safe. Put my hearing on. First bite from a mosquito. Good to go. Okay, so this thing hasn't been fired yet. It's loaded. We're ready to go. Safety is off. Fire in the hole. Wow, that's loud. So I'm going to turn the safety on for a second. What you don't want to do when you have this gun is hold it like this when you fire, because all of the gases are going to be shooting out of the end of the revolver there. So just being safety conscious. Okay, firing. Oh yeah! I like that. Safety is on. You can feel like the powder coming back at you. Wow. Good thing I have glasses on. So the cool thing about this thing is how you reload it and unload it. So make sure your safety's on. Half cock it. Make sure the safety's on. Half cock it. Open the floodgate, or the gate on the side. And then what you have here is your, I guess you can call it a ramrod or ejection rod, but for each one, that's all of it. I like this thing. I like this thing a lot. I could totally see Arthur Morgan using this in Red Dead Redemption 2 or something. So yeah, let's load it up again, shall we? Half cock, open the breech, or open the gate. Oops. Now to reload this in a high pressure situation, like a shootout in a saloon, I don't know how they did it, but okay. Put that hammer back in the right position. Safety is off. Firing. Whew. That's 6. Safety on. Wow. So yeah, I definitely feel like a cowboy today. 500 bucks Canadian. The cool thing about the safety on this is, like I said, it's modernized. It's not historically accurate. So right there. Right there's the red dot. That's your safety. So we're good to go. Okay. Awesome. Okay, safety's off. Woohoo! That was fun. Man, might have been a cowboy in my old time, or back in the day, or my previous life, whatever you kids call it nowadays. Sweet. Yep, I always said that if I was going to get a handgun, it would probably be a revolver, just because it's just cool. It's classic, it's cool, it's pretty badass. And I've always been attracted to, you know, the 19th century. Don't try this at home, kids. Fire in the hole. Woohoo! Woohoo! Didn't get any burns that were major, but yeah, don't try that at home. Safety on. I would recommend that you wear gloves and long sleeves with this, and definitely wear your glasses and your hearing. It might just be a 22, but it's still really loud. That is so freaking cool. All right, well, safe, empty. So that's the Heritage Rough Rider 22. Highly recommend it. That was a lot of fun. All right, folks, if you like this video, you know what to do. And as always, stay heavy. Closest thing that you're going to get to a handgun in Canada now. Safety is off. Safety is on. Blooper reel.